Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. With fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.